Have reached the voicemail box of...
Go to the voicemail. Jody! Jody!
Yo,
Jody!
big man, I want him.
Rotted. Joshy, I don't even see you did this, sir. So I go on. You know Jody over there.
I want to go on me. I wanted me hard.
So make you go on somewhere you know sir Jody me come link.
Yo, man, just stop on me hard now, man. Family big already, I'm nobody for me if I hustle hard now. I want to come breed my sister and keep over and buy few women now. So we have to stop coming away hard.
Oh, so you did feel. You can't tap me from get your sister. Whether you like me or not, but a plan for be your brother-in-law. See, as I mentioned, boy, your family big. But a plan say you get some niece and nephew in a lot.
Oi! Who that a call?
Oh, Miss Joyce.
Oi!
You know, sir, Jordan me come check.
You know, say Jordan no day kind of gone up the road a little bit. Come man, come Trevor. Sit down, yes. So go on.
You know, so me just come off of work and Jordan me come give you one link. But, you know, say, me see the one boys out the gate. They come talk up in the mouth. They come tell me, you know, say, he no want me back over the yard. You have to go watch me now. Watch him.
Boys, sure, no pay boys you don't mind, man. You know, that's when you take him when you're ready. That's when you look follow up and big up himself in a conversation. No pay him no mind. Boys, they provide ya. Boys, they can't provide nothing. All in do is go yam. We meet to see them yam. And where you think his money come from? In the work? No pay boys no mind, man. No pay boys no mind.
Alright then, mama. Me go forget about that. Can you see a pick out some ackee there? The national dish. Can I get some dinner later?
Why? But they pick them out and let them not even the Jody she come back here, you know, because every she want me cook and so maybe me not bother cook, so she they cook this evening. I make sure so me pick their care for the tree, we pick them out and I make them in the kitchen up down. So when she comes, she cook it. She must know if she want to get on it because you and she are friend.
You know, say mama, I really want to get serious with Jody. Can me even go look on a ring downtown. There cause me not be like the young boy out the road play and make no joke with Jody, you know. I want to get serious with the man. We can start a family.
That sounds good, starting a family. But you have to know, say, you have to wear it and we can keep up with it. Because we said one thing and then no, we not find. So, you try to build somewhere to put in because you and Jody can't live here now. There's no private fee. Man and woman, and when man take a woman, it's supposed to provide it to her to go live. Because Jody is a girl like this, you know, so she have her own way. And two big women can't stay in one house. So hopefully, you have to finish somewhere if she live before you can marry.
No man, mommy. You know, so I really check for Jody and respect Jody. Love Jody. You know, so I even start one little thing up on the hill there. And look at both of us. Maybe further on down in our life we can so we can do as man and woman and start another like building a block or so forth.
So Jody, you is good. Because most of them man nowadays them now think about physical down. They go and have one picnic or so, one picnic this so, 3 picnic over there so. And some of them the picnic no get no look after. But Mr. say you're willing to settle down with Jody. And me tell you now, I don't want you to treat her bad, you know. Because you know, for family big. And even though sometimes it look like we don't agree, but anything, we stick up for each other. And anything we can defend each other. So nobody take Jody and pretend nice now when you take your boss up in your face or nothing. Jody is still a learn. You understand? Jody not so responsible. But she's learning. She's in a learning period because she's young. So you have to take your time with her. We come by now and then to come help her. But me not come there come to no servant phone. You have to be able to manage on your own. Me give the right thing, you know. So it's a good thing for you as a young man get big to want wife and children. But you have to have security too. You have to have somewhere to put them. You know, see as marriage come, picnic come. And I don't know where you go do, but we leave it in our hands. And that is a good decision. So when Jody come, you can talk about it.
No worry yourself, man. Me going to take care of Jody. Come me love her. Mattress up there. A little sponge up there, we can hold it for we. Funny. Maybe further on down in our life, we can get a mattress, or we can roll up on it. And
mattress, piece of sponge. You know, you ever see the kind of bed that Jody there to sleep on? And you want Jody to put in a board house with piece of sponge. And you want to start family. Hey, hi sir. Well, as a matter of fact, una young people, so Jody must know. They look like them to work here, go play in the kitchen. You must know about you and Jody. You wait for Jody?
oh man, me check back for her later on. Until I have to see someone happy for me. I will pass back later.
Alright.
I'll check back for her later. Someone happy for me.
Where you come from?
And my friend them me go check man and buy one drink and come back and see the little idiot.
Which idiot that?
Hey boy, when you want to marry the sister and come pack up yours with Pitney, you can't mind Pitney.
You don't know if you can mind Pitney. I know your business, Jody. A big man, you know. Me no want y'all to pack up in here, somehow not forget and go yourself, Jody. Find somebody to take care of him and take him out of the house. Make sure go along. Where they watch Jody for? Jody know your Pitney. Jody your sister. As a matter of fact, you go get one woman and marry to and go on to.
You see old boy there, I don't like him, you know. So I breed him and come, we keep your daughter and pay Pitney in the house. So go sorry, you know. Go sorry.
What part come home? 7 meeting come, they come talk about breed up. Before you go along, go look somebody and breed up and go.
This is our boy we just talk about. But we try to see the youth. We just have a problem them here come pick up, talk to you know.
My youth. What ever do you making? You know like.
Man come right here, I talk to my sister, you know. I look my sister and just broke my sister heart, you know. And if I broke my sister heart, I broke my heart too, you know.
You ever see me do anything for your sister yet?
I see my man that will come here and let me could see what the man do for my sister. No certain things, I'm mad now. But me love my sister, I protect my sister.
Yo, that's the way you have in your head already. You see it? Because you go on like your sister. I don't chat to you. Don't do it. Well, Lord, my youth, what me can do with stuff? My youth, yo, cool on, dude, my youth, yo.
You want to come back to my yard now? Yo, don't come back to my yard now, boy. I want to leave your sister alone now. If you come back here, me explain now, boy. We chop off him.
My youth, what you do? No, my youth.
Right, sir. Yeah, man. Hi.
So we do some acting and some lipstick business, so not get no ideas. But anyways, in this one we have spent like a time with Miss Tori Shea Williams. But differently though, Tori, what have you been up to?
Differently, we're there
for shoot movies. In a life, some things are going, yes, handling business same way. So I don't know everything about that. But everything is good, everything is wonderful. Just want to get them movies out to you guys, right?
Okay. So, I believe you're one of the persons who I did first set of videos with. Like when I interview, da.
My name is Tori Shea, in fact, but you can call me Tori.
So, tell me a little bit about what going on there at us, you know.
Right now.
Alright, because I know my audience like. So, I'm not gonna believe me, but she does not know who I am. She is clueless.
Yeah,
we actually
no,
come down here together. So, my name is Akin. From that time until now, like what changed with you and this environment?
Naturally, we just get more and more comfortable, you know, with each and every member of the main cast. So yeah, like with Fire, Richard Brown, this is one right here, so Akin, Alton. Yeah, we just get closer and closer, so we just get more comfortable and I don't know, I like it.
Enough people that watch you don't really know who Tori is.
They don't know who I am.
Well, probably. I don't know what you can do for help with know who Tori is.
Fine. Tori very business minded, you know.
Business minded?
Yes. So
Hold on. When I want to make it robot,
alright, let's not.
there has to be some amount of emotion in
Did I
this
get
being
there?
here.
There was a time when we did very interested in the same photography and videography here as well, you know. Like me have my own camera and stuff, and we did do my little thing, but then we sort of lose the passion, and then they just kind of dive right into business. And then there was a time when we did too, as you must say, robot-like with the business. Somebody have to try to gain back some more of who I am, get in tune with my life, you know. And then we start to do some planting. So farming is a very big part of my life right now. Yeah, I have my little farm where me get up and running so I can plant each and everything, because I don't know about food, world food shortage and all that. Really one bigger argument, but yes, I like to plant, I like to watch things grow.
Tell me some things you like though, apart from farming and business, you know, like some little casual things that don't make money, them just, what do I call it now? They're just fun.
There's never a classy way to say binge drink.
Binge drink.
There's never a classy way to say it, but yeah, I like to enjoy myself, but not in a way with like a bag of crowd and a bag of people. I like great company, don't get me wrong, but I just like to. I'm a Sagittarian, and Sagittarians always like nice scenery. So anywhere that is really nice, it can be a beachside or a riverside, but any place with a nice ambience or something, yeah, I could just build right there and have my own vibes and sip a little drink and enjoy myself. Yeah, that's how I really enjoy myself. When I really...
Sorry to cut you off. I'm a Sagittarian myself. December the 6th.
Did you tell me this?
Did I?
I don't think you did, but maybe. I remember we did have one conversation there one time with kind of hazy.
Let me guess yours. December. You get the month, right?
You get the month. See, when I was talk about it, because me can't remember and you can't remember.
December 8th.
Close though. It's the 9th.
The 9th.
Yeah. And you're the 6th. Wow.
Wow. So we're both Sagittarians. So I can confirm you saying Sagittarians like scenic places, alone time. Yeah. So what else? Give a little icing on the cake now. Enough man out the tour, them see you, them just want all of this. Probably at least give you a hint of the kind of guys you like. Or if you could describe him physically, what does he look like?
Definitely like a man where healthy looking. You go start this one. So you have to have a nice build. Can't do maga.
Not like me, guys. Don't have this build, no chance.
Can't do maga. Have a nice little build, but definitely I don't like any form of thick. Is that too far? But yeah, that's me. I don't like thick people. I like people with.
You know, like no form of thick. Alright. Alright, so tell about him personality.
definitely have to have reasoning ability. Like if we can hold a steady conversation about a topic and like even if we have disagreements during it, we need to can reason. You can listen to my point, me if you can listen to yours, and then whatever, just communication, man, that's very important. And you have to be ambitious. When we say ambitious still, I not say, yo, you have to be but in a way, yeah, you have to be a monster at what you want. You have to go after what you want. Do your own thing, have your own thing going on, but at the same time, whenever we both agree, whenever we both have convenient time, then we spend it together. But otherwise, yeah, we young, we need to, even if you're not young, it really don't matter still. It don't really matter to me in a way. Can't too old still, because after a time, can't really do nothing much. But yeah.
Okay. Now we're out. So before we let you go, I want to tell you about family. You a little bit about family. But first you tell what it means to you first and then tell us about it. And then, as a matter of fact, before all of that, give us one of the stairs. Oh, one pointer. Don't date Sagittarius.
Yeah.
You guys are both going to want the.
I know that.
But anyways, family.
Of course, family is very important to me because I grew up in a nuclear family. Yeah, them call that mother and father. And everything did good still, you know, I live a decent life growing up. I never needed for everything, anything. So, I love my mom and I love my dad, but we're not hella close. I don't know if some people that are close to like a one parent. Me and my mother cool, you know, we're pretty close. We can talk about anything, but we're like, we don't know, we're not hella close. So I have sisters as well, and we're not really close. But when we say not really close, that don't mean that we don't talk. We might not talk for a couple months straight.
Just a second.
Might not talk a couple months straight, but they never.
No, I get you. I totally get you. I think everybody. I get you. I think everybody who are listening as well gets you. Why are you so distracting though? I just forget what my dog asked you a while ago.
The sincerity again.
Oh. I'm gonna ask you again. Something about family.
Oh, you did say what it means to me.
Oh yeah.
And then.
You said it was important, and then you were talking about
My father and
Oh.
sisters.
What do you think if your parents were to tell someone about you? Like what do you think they would have said? Yeah.
They would say I'm their wash belly. I'm the last one, and they would say that I was always one of the brightest.
What high school did you attend?
St. Mary High.
St. Mary High.
Then
Big up St. Mary High.
Big up. But then we advanced to community college, and we did have a choice to leave this and go do whatever I want, and I chose to go to UTech, that's the University of Technology, and yeah, I did a couple of years there.
What did you study?
Same way. Crazy. It's called Communication Arts and Technology. However, it's basically media.
Okay.
I learned how to shoot, how to transition, script writing, everything from journalism to videography to public relations, yeah. Everything with advertising, everything. All of that, basically. So, yeah, then I say, yeah, I did well, but then there came a time when I say, yo, Mom, put on all of this and just go out there and pursue life. And it wasn't really the decision that my parents would have made. But guess what? It's my life. So we make a decision to go out there, me and the bestie, and we start our own life out there in the streets until we rise, until we have our own place now. Finally, we used to, be roommating with friends and other students from university. Back in them days when we done school, and so we're hustling at the streets now.
May I cut you off again? I'm just looking at the camera and ask about probably some past relationships. Come away from the music, please. Like would I really want to talk to at least one of the guys I'm with date and ask them what was the experience like? Dad, what do you think they would say about that though?
There's only really one person you could ask. As I said, it's only one sort of real relationship that I had. I'm a Sagittarian, come on. Only one.
Oh, shucks. You just strike one nerve. I've only had one.
What was wrong with my belly? My belly they hurt me so much while I'm not sure. And my dad said, oh, Akin wants me to do a video now and my belly hurt me. And my belly feels so much better since we're doing this.
Yeah, so not to get too distracted from my question, what would the ex-boyfriend say about Tori if he's not bitter or salty?
I think he is bitter because I didn't end it.
Oh, you ended it?
Yeah.
Do you have a reputation for ending things though?
Yeah, I have a reputation for starting things and not finishing them the right way. So yeah, when I don't give people closure, it's basically leaving a project before it's complete, right?
Was they never give him closure?
No. The thing is, as I tell you about the reasoning ability.
Oh, okay.
It's I always express myself in a relationship, and this person kind of did have a little temper too, like myself. So arguments could get pretty intense, but it was a issue when we continuously I tell them about. You know, probably in a different ways it would have happened, but it would have come around to it being the same issue. We continuously tell you about this to the point where we get to arguments and in the end, we just done with it. Like, it don't make no sense.
Wow.
Closure. What we need to give. It's
Wow.
like the same thing when I'm going to tell you again, right?
Alright, so I think that's basically it. We can get one whole heap from your personality, from everything that you just said. Family, things you like, school, Yeah. Anything you want to say before we close the video? May I make you close it?
I don't like to tell people what to do, but I'm a vegetarian. Technically a pescatarian because I love seafood. Only recently started indulging in all kinds of seafood. But yeah, eat your vegetables, people. Be healthy, drink your water, hydrate.
Oh, my dad tell her I said I just cover the lens, but she never that hear me. Big up on yourself. Like the video, subscribe for your first time, and yeah, look more.
Yeah, dog, me I tell a dog from what day, me I try to tell us say, yo, you need to take the music seriously. So me I say, dog, yeah man, cause me don't even want you to follow such man who bust from what day, you know, and see him bust now, and I be a fuckery dog I sing right now. So when you deal with a thing, a Bob Marley type of thing, you understand?
What you mean, man? I do the right thing, you know. Greatest one be, you know. While I mean, man, can't tame.
Platinum and gold, you understand me I say?
Oh,
yeah,
jokes,
dog,
man.
so we are going to deal with the thing this year. You see what I say?
See that funny black man? What's me asking my
Well, I
face
don't
up?
even know who she, you know, but, you see me? But remember what I tell you, say, you know, dog.
Oh, yeah, who they call? Come in.
Man.
Go and do your thing, you see me? And bless up, you see me?
No joke.
Up top, you see me?
You know what's going on.
You know you're in your teeth, so.
Yeah, do me happy to see your grandma.
Okay, come in, man. Put on your suitcase. If you sit down and talk.
I'm
You can sit
tired.
in me.
Yes. Mommy sent something.
Okay, thanks. I'll pass it good too.
You know,
Yeah.
my face looks so sour.
I know so she a come now, but I don't want her to come because I don't really like her.
Your mother called me and tell me say they come now, but at the end of the day, you don't tell me anything. So I don't really like to know what is going on because me welcome you, you know. Because you're my granddaughter, I love you and I welcome you, but as you see, time kind of stiff. And the little work they want me to do, the little egg they not sell all that fast.
Yes,
and me have my
grandma.
grandson here to and his mother sometimes send, but you know, so them eat like a farmer house. So then this yam every day. So me need some more money and resource. So me no mind you come in and stay in here with me. But at the end of the day, what you go do?
You know, mommy not no money and you send me down here so if we go and look and work for meantime when me down here. So me just come down for my work and me can help you out in the meantime. You know?
Even though you think it's a work down here, work not easy to get. Because if you don't know somebody, if you know somebody, you can't get no work. So, I don't know what kind of work you qualify. I don't know what you can do. I don't know what you intend to do. But at the end of the day, whatever little me have, me share with you about. I don't know how long that though can be. Because as we said, things not all that pretty. And the egg money, them start feeding gone up. People they not come buy egg as fast as they could. Maybe a little cake every now and then and sell. And me have the little put them money what they give me, but me have the bills them to pay, the water, the light, all of them cable bill, internet bill, all of them bill you have to pay. So when you come now more, so me not go treat you bad. No try not to treat you bad, but remember I say me strict. I'm the one you in and now mix up with them people, can me keep myself to myself. Because them a mix up and blend that. And when them start, then I stop and then when they come to go look what you have. And then I have nothing to give you, and me can tell you that. So as long as you will obey me and hear what me say,
Yes,
and I go to the way and be rude, me and you agree. Me and
I'll
you
behave
get along.
myself, grandma.
You hope you behave yourself. Sometimes we go to church, so you know, when you long out your mouth when we wake up and many times to say, follow me go to church.
Grandma, me will behave myself. Me not give me no trouble. Everything you tell me to do, me I go do it. Mommy not tell you how me stay. Me not come out of the house, you know.
Me and my grandson go to church, and me not left here. Because I know so when they say you alone there, then go there fishing, and me gate. And I don't want nobody, and me get there fishing, because no fish, not over here. So keep them away from me gate, because I know they harbor shot them were there. As they see new face come in, they're ready to come suck blood and come down. So remember that. Remember me tell you.
Yes,
remember me warn you
Grandma.
on this first day you come.
No,
so you
grandma,
can't say me
you
no
know,
warn
I
you.
have no time for them. Them that's not up on my brain right now. I come to help you and do little things around the yard. And I come for work. I don't have them listen there for my head.
You will say that no, because you come down and you don't want me to welcome you in. But when you come down and breathe,
Why you talk so,
you
grandma?
go see, because I don't know how you
You don't
woman
like
is
that,
the
grandma. You know if you sit there and sit there, grandma. If you think
Because you can't
positive.
take no young baby to cry on my head. So your mother must know say you good and me now go have the time for the straighten you up. So you just do say you keep yourself on the promise now. So hope you keep your promise.
When me up so none of them sitting there they go on. So why when me come down there that a go happen? And grandma, and any man me like, you know.
Maybe the man them hope they so never come up to your high side. But you see them here down here so you have the good, the bad and the difference. So maybe you will see some down here so what you need to see up there so come in. Now which part of the son will live? Come to know your mother never invite me we wanna live. So me don't know. But at the moment with that the conversation can be positive about life.
Yeah,
So me will
grandma.
show you your room where you can stay.
Yeah.
Seymour!
Can't get a game off like I look bad.
Just wait, me soon get her. Just wait me pass the delivery.
Seymour! Seymour! Seymour!
Yeah?
Come here, come help your cousin carrying the suitcase here. I'm going to show her where she can stay.
Miss Ponce.
Hello? Yeah, girl, I reach.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to know I reach up. I wish what did you say again?
No, St. James.
Oh, St. James. You know, say I be a chopper man up there door.
Yes, girl. Yes, BMW and Mark X, them drive.
Well, just try and see if I can get one of them.
No worry yourself, girl. I forget one. Just I go and easy myself. Be there with the miserable woman. He miserable. Start all that tell me about me if you come to come breed and all them something. She go on. She alright.
Miss Ponce. Miss Ponce.
Yeah!
Well, on the girl. I'm going to smell your car.
Yeah, man, alright. Take care of yourself. Alright.
Miss Ponce. You know what I say? I want Miss Ponce me did want to talk to, but look here there. Look here there now.
Where the ask, sir?
Miss Ponce.
Nobody over here saying name, sir.
How your name, my friend?
You know, say I change my name.
Chin. Nice name, man. It fit you. Like your skin clean and everything, you know. Yeah, man, I do it. That's why I see how it passed a while ago.
Yeah, don't they say they look for me?
You're supposed to know, say, I'm a joke.
Mm.
Go on to number before I left it up. So you look over the place, so you're afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's how I'm born and grow. You know, and I nicest girl I see come across. No joke. Wish I could have get you in my life, you know?
Probably.
Probably. Go on your number before I left, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I can get your number.
Mrs. Chino, what I really talk to a man.
What?
See her the grandma.
Let's see her. What are we? She bright. What are you going on with yourself? You start already and you just come, you never make you whatever dry. You start already after me talk to you. They look for what you out of the talk to. Look on that.
What do him?
Oh, you mean what do him? You know, nothing do him.
Grandma, you have to deal with me, so no disrespect, you know. Just I try to get to know your granddaughter, lovely granddaughter. You
Stick
have,
up
you know.
in. Few time no come yet. Me soon deal with you. Me deal with she. Cause she over here, so you over there, so. So wait for your time. Wait. What are you going to so?
Just a reason.
Reason, say what? Reason? When they tell you, say?
He not tell me nothing.
So, oh, your reason, he not tell you nothing. Oh, you come here for? What is the problem?
Me not do nothing.
You don't do nothing. You see you hear them? You see them like push but coat nothing of them? Oh, you mean you not do nothing? Look here, take time going in for me job. Just go on in. You say to go on in. Oh, bad boy, turn for me. You want me shovel up here this man with a shovel here? Look at you, what's happening on my dog neck and choke you. Yes, you know. Where you for? Look here, take time. We don't back liquor further this way. Where you for?
No disrespect, you know. You don't have to deal with me, so, you know. I just your granddaughter, I try to get to know, you know.
You disrespect me by just coming to me gate. No disrespect. Because you see, for years me know you never say nothing to me. You see me they come with me water them and you never help me to carry them to make me say, well, this is a good man. As a similarly for your kitty come down and not even land good. You they come on my gate, you have house, you have car, you have money in a bank. Where have you for? Our mama concern her down here say me if you take care of her. And because she young and she can manage with it are the wrong somebody listening to. Try not come back and me gate, you know. Now make me see you and me gate again. Oh, what?
Disrespect to that, man.
The little crab was boy about him come and me gate. Tell him where they go. Lord Jesus, me say, the little girl this arrive and he start already. He start already. Me, look here. Let me sit down here before me drop down. Let me ask you one question. Where really come down from?
I don't have to talk to nobody. I hear me every boy come like ask about Miss Punsi. So I just get up and go ask. Me I say when they ask Punsi, nobody knows why
You just come down here. You hear people that get they call Miss Punsi. You don't know nobody named Miss Punsi. So make you fly up and go on.
Just start we are talking, you know. Just start.
And for you go there, you have to do things say nobody name some walk come back in. You stand up out there keep long argument. One argument go lead to the other because when they see you, then go and give you nice talk and push all $1,000 and get you.
You can't breed me to you get, you know.
But they also not back to your mother ever say you go along, you know. As a matter of fact, come go along in. Go on in, the plate them down there, so come go and go in, you wash your plate them.
Hello?
I pray.
Who this?
The man I meditate get.
Oh.
You see you're gonna go not gonna be a problem, you know.
That's what she means to do. She kill up herself. But when you come down here fast. She alright.
So basically we can link up on our time.
Why? So she stay me have to plan and me have to tell you what I go on. You can link up, yes. But me have to no.
Alright, then I see a word.
Yeah, so me have to call you. And me have to call you. Alright, later. Yeah.
Chat.
Angela, this is...
Yes, speaking. Hey. Hello? Somebody will call me
Yes,
phone and
here.
break up. Hello?
Angela, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and talk now.
Yes, Angela. Neither from the officer's business, but I'm looking here on your profile and I see you have some outstanding balance for us.
How much balance leave, sir?
I'm looking here on the loan and I see you have an outstanding balance of 150,000.
You sure say that correct? Because me come the last time me pay about 75,000. Me have me receipt.
But you are late. You are a couple of weeks late.
So to become late, so no put interest on it.
Interest is going up by the day. We have a 5,000. We have a 5,000 day-to-day interest policy on.
Okay, sir. I will come in next week Tuesday.
Are you sure you'll be coming next week Tuesday? Because if this stay until Wednesday, you know, because you have the loan officer who will be going out, the debt collector will be going out to collect the debts, and if you can, it would be recommended that you pay at least 45,000 right now. and then by Wednesday you can pay the rest.
Okay, sir.
Alright, Miss Angela?
Yes, sir.
Alright, have a wonderful evening.
You too. Me can't take the thief in loan place, you know.
Mommy, you really get yourself in that? What we are going to do now? Me have to go look and work or try to do something because I'm here from day one. Me and you alone, no father, no nothing. We are going to go on for we. You know what to do, Mommy?
I stress the people, them might stress me out.
You know what to do? I'm going to help you out.
Where you go do?
I'm going to look at work in the ILO and try help you out.
Supermarket, that the money then now go work out. Me not think that, listen to me, my daughter. You don't know no little man. We and him different long time or so. To help out the situation.
Boy, Mommy, I don't know that I go, you know. Because you know, say, them man nowadays, if you ask them for nothing, they want back something or them are going to kill me.
My daughter, calm down. A long time me I do road. What you say? You have one little man when you talk to?
Well, Mommy, I have one little one scholar me that my short, but a good while now me and him stop talk, but I know say he have money, he have things. But I don't know how much I get some money from him, you know.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have the perfect plan. You see the next time you call him, just tell him say you're pregnant.
Oh, me I got to do that. 4 months now, me and him stop talking. Every time we have sex, me use condom. So what me I got to do, Mommy?
Use your head, little girl. Tell him say the last time you and him have sex, the condom burst. But you did afraid to tell him. But right now, you suffer. And you alone are struggle with it and you need help and you need to stand up as a daddy.
Why, Mommy? Where learn them this style from? You're the bad. They look like you're the bad.
You chat too much. Take up your phone and call the man. I call if you call me, I did it then. Call the man.
I'm going to call him right now.
What is that coming for? Hello?
Public. What happened? What do you mean who this?
Who this?
Amanda. Yeah. No, go on with nothing. Just a call if you tell her something.
What kind of thing that? I don't think myself in the shop.
Nothing like that.
You know I'm pregnant though? Okay, white father.
What do you mean white father? Are you alone me have sex with?
Me? Oh, yo, remember say, when me and you do it, use a condom and me take care of my things. You understand? Like, nothing never wrong. So I don't really understand what I want. Maybe you take up a condom and force up on your own or something. I don't know.
Well, I guess it burst or something in a long run. But me know I'm pregnant and I alone. Maybe not sleep with.
I just don't know why I'm still excited. So you said you come check me we talk.
Yes, me will come link you.
Here?
Yeah.
Still sexy.
Always.
Oh my God.
Alright. Public! Public!
But wait. My God. How you coming? You have a key or something?
The door was open and I made your new baby mother.
Come in, man. Come. Make yourself at home. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say what for me I feel. Because, you know, you're my baby mother.
Touch him, man, me I feel pain, hot.
You feel pain? My God, I can't believe. I know, sir. Like you're there now, but I want to even water your head because I always hear my brethren talk about them water, them baby mother head and all these things. And them the things that make the delivery. When you have a baby, you just come out right away. You want to come on, you have a safe delivery. So I have to go water your head.
Yeah, go water it, but I'm tonight.
I know easy at all. But on a serious note still, 4 months. What take you so long to contact me? You sure it's for me, Pitney?
It's so unbelievable. Imagine me come, I tell us me I feel pain and everything discomfort. I kill me right now, I'm sitting here, so. Right now, you stress out all me. You stress out all the baby. Not one piece of KFC you could buy. Your baby want a piece of chicken, KFC, hot and spicy. So if I could go get that, I appreciate it.
Don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself. KFC, you want, baby want KFC? If your baby want KFC, I get KFC. I get my 1-piece meal and I get you 1 2-piece meal. So, I don't want you to stress out the baby. I get you a KFC here. I get you 3 piece?
Yeah.
3 piece, alright. Oh, what kind of drinks you want? They want
Pepsi.
Baby don't drink Pepsi. You can't drink Pepsi with the baby. I get a true juice. I get a juice here. Juice and water.
Can get me a true juice?
True juice and true juice. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, it sound good, it sounds good.
Yeah.
Alright, so the song come back here.
Alright, B.
No, it's just what the baby not at all. You don't want the baby hungry. Yeah?
Yeah. But mommy, thinking about it, how we belly a go? Because me tell him 4 months, you know. When I belly be show my belly flat like mommy.
Don't worry yourself about it. May I come there, hold on. You see this? This can work miracle. Watch me. I'm going to show you how this thing work. We don't play with them. Watch how you look nice. You look like a young mother, my daughter.
Mommy!
If it you know? If it of a true man.
Mommy, you work for you, you know? Right now, KFC and I'm buying. Alright.
So really a flip right now?
Remember, say tell me, say I'm a police, you know, and he worked late shift last night, and he soon forward.
Oh shit, me not remember. Hey, you have to leave right now. Right now. Come, put on your shoes, put on your shoes.
Yeah,
right. Already?
Wagwan. Eh?
Hi.
I come to lock up your VGG, you see. But anyways, it's the rent money I come to give you, because I really don't like, come down here and say, you know, them little boy there, I don't want to shoot one of them, you know. But here we go, you know. Don't make a start out the rent, but let me lock up a little bit now.
Babes, you know so don't want to deal, but me pay that come down for me. But still, I want the rent money because my rent
I don't like your lips here. I really like your lips here. So nobody tell me about no period. And no. Make period do period business. I am about the more business. So you say?
Babes.
Listen to me now, man. I have a long day at work. I just need to put down my gun and just relax myself a little bit. And you get your money, right? And just relax. So what problem?
I don't have no problem for relax with your babes, but
Shopkeeper, what go on?
Monday, I know.
Man, I look as special now, because today's a hot day to beef ball.
Kind of special one. Rum special. Or Pepsi. Rum and boom or Pepsi. What you want it?
Give me boom, because my Pepsi not gonna work with the energy I need right now. Give me boom. Boom and JB.
I can't drink rum so early, man. Nice Sunday, I would.
I make a narrow escape a while ago. It's good to be alive. You know what I mean? But tell me something. You know a policeman only live Duggan Road down there, sir? You know him?
I wish one of them. And if I want to drive a blue parallel down there, sir.
Yes, man, I him same one. But what you know about him? Which division him? I maybe ask you too much question here, sir. Just give me special.
You can't ask me anything about him, man. A long time I live here, you know. Ask me anything when you ask me about him, man.
Alright, I'll see you, yeah?
alright, bye.
Hold on, man. Turn up on your foot, man.
So babes, what man scan you? Scan me?
I'm not scanning. But I never scan you. But you just this me, you just break me heart a while ago. Eh? You know me done at work. Want something, me tell all this soup life, you come up here and you come tell me foolishness. Okay, so you can never tell me before, you never tell me say you want the money, you said you're there for your period. We could at least send the money to your account. I never have to come here, sir. Eh? Who will you take me for?
You know, girl, babes.
Listen,
you know
listen, right? You could have tell me from start say I see a period. Joke thing you depend on, but you're not serious business. Anyways, I'll go home, yeah?
Alright, babes, love you.
Love me. Just pay your rent.
Tell you that early, man. Me? Nah, look, no policeman, girl. No. You rough. When me see the gun, when me see my life, when me think about, no, sir. Like that.
Bomba!
Man has a respect.
You watch yourself, you know. Policeman a ramp with them, girl, you know. Policeman a ramp, just be careful. Play your game, play right. Last man, woman, if you look at policeman, woman. You hear me, boss?
Yes. Alright then. It was nice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
So much worse. What a good thing they go up another tree here.
Oh, God. Yo, Papa!
Yeah.
Come here now.
So you are dealing with General?
I'm not there going easy, but here we going now. It's like say, this a week here rough. Money kind of, I don't know, I'm tired for big money to go on per night. But here we go, I'm not on choice. But I don't know if you can lend me one 10 grand. And
Well, Andy, if you got to your home already, I wish you had even planned to pay me back first. The 10,000, the 15,000, 20,000, or the 40,000. Which one? Come on, man. Every minute you borrow.
So you deal with for real, brother. Brother, a Kangal days and travel facts and them sitting there, you know, brother, days where I come from, you know. You remember when I used to let them boat for go out back in the days? In a grade 7, you remember them days there? I lend them things them and I get them back, you know, and you tear them on fence because you jump over Miss Rona yard. You remember them time there? And me I come to you now because things not really as nice as now. And me I ask you a favor, I know want to help me. Yo, you really know want to help me? Tell me for you why.
Alright.
You really want to help me?
Forget them this. But remember, say enough money you owe me. I won't even know. I don't like say I want to look at chump change. The money where you owe me can do something, can start a business. But anyway, I forgot to go for money around. So I lend you, you know. Because we are friends. So if you can wait for me right here, so I go for your money.
Alright, respect. But guess what now? Me don't want to look at hurry, so send it with Junto data. Don't get so. See?
Alright, me send it with that.
Yo, respect our man as the boss. Thanks for always. Yo, what you say? I go pay back money 15, the 10 and the 40. Because you know what I mean, I work hard, you know. None of this can be in vain, you know. See, sir? So talk till you come out. Here, boss.
That's all. You come back if you know my money for borrow again. That's all you know, full of sweet talk. And confuse people brain about borrow and then tell about next week can't come out now. Next week.
So Shelly, I win at the court date.
I'm not sure, you know. But me hear them say something about somewhere in the next week or so. And he might get released.
You know, so if you get released, you know, you can't stay down here, you know. So what you plan for do? You must have some idea in your head.
I'm not thinking can go find me. Because I have one little place done so. Nobody know about
Shelly.
it.
Yeah, sister. I know your safety me I think about right now. Serious risk you think about, you know. Them man they will find you. And if them not find you, their friend find you. You better be careful of what you do. And you think, let me tell you something. You said that earlier. It's not who you know, you know. Who you think they don't know you, they know you. It's not who you know, who know you. You have to be careful of what you do.
I know, I know. No. But things sticky out here. I talk to one little man and he carry the rent come, but it's like the money short.
I'll figure out something. I'll figure out something to sort it out. Don't worry about that. See? Don't worry about that. Come on. Sis, you know she said in a curtain you want change?
I know say place that stay too good enough, but me work pan forget to clean up.
They want change man if you start out the place better than this. I don't like how you look. Like you really work on things. You can't tell me nothing, you know? Because a tree come on them you handle too.
What you talk about? You think me a little bikini? Me not a little bit, you know? And as me tell you, one little man come here some of the time. You just make sure say you are protect yourself.
You going here? Go on.
Sis, me never want to tell you, you know? But me have one policeman. Me have an idea. The man they make money. Feel like so if we just come up with a plan and rob him. What do you think?
If we are going to deal with that, I have some serious money. I can't know a little bit of money I tell me about. Because I'm in a run joke.
What you mean, sis? We're going to do it. We'll do it for one whole heap of money. We're not do it for a little bit of nothing. But anyways, we're going to make some call.
You're late. Plus, you don't have your book. How you plan for do?
Oh, to you. We finished them the assignment there already. Or something else me come to talk to you about. But it's embarrassing.
What kind of embarrassment? How happened?
Alright, so you know I'm single, right? And from with you, me I try to put myself out there. I try to get a man. I literally go to the man and I look the man. And it's like me go there, you know, and me talk to the man. I smile and everything, you know. And then at one point he start dress back. Me I try to go up to him and he just keep on a dress back. Me don't know what go on. And it happen with every one of them.
Hold on the girl, before you get down the line integrity, let me eat one of them experiment here. You want one?
No sir girl, me can't eat them something there. Them feel too weird in my mouth. Plus, them give you gas.
Alright, so what you ask about the man them now? Sorry, me I have to put on my mask, you know. Corona. What you say the man them do you know?
You sure say everything alright?
Yeah man girl, everything good. So what you ask about the man them?
Me not have done corona, you know. But still, the man them just a run for me so. Me don't know why they just a run for me so. Every time I go near a man, they just a run for me so.
So girl, you not ask the man them what the reason for them a dress back from you or anything?
Girl, me not even know, you know. Cause me not want to ask them cause me just feel embarrassed. Me not like cause if they really like me, why they would not shy away from me and not want to deal with me? They just a pull back from me so and it's embarrassing. And if they didn't really like me, why they would not pull away so? Me just can't bother ya.
How going on, sir? Everything good?
Hello.
Pants, yo, how far me I come from? So Kira, where you going? You good? Kira, how things?
Me alright, you know?
Yeah, alright, that's all man. You know what I mean?
So public, I'm to you. You alright? You good?
Things good, what? You think you're good? You sure you're good? Sit down, go on, let me get.
You know, say though, you not act weird. Me want to know a wagwan. Why you not act so?
Let me tell you this. Are you act strange? You come like are you and Colgate and I'm Alice. Let me tell you something, man. You is not a good friend. Imagine say you know say fear amount under one different construction and you have spearmint over there so I know really push one in and shoot. You know what I mean? Mama. And I really say me I try to bring turmoil or anything like that. But it's never too late for a little brush with a little Colgate. You know what I mean? Don't hurry and come out of your house. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day still, I don't want to feel too bad because you might have a rotten teeth when I back your mouth or something go on. I don't know. The situations are different, you know what I mean? But you can't people like around here because guess you know. She now make you know say boy something go on under this. So I can't take it no more. You want to go on, handle on business. You find something to do. If you never have nothing to do, you go to sitting. You need to find a new friend.
Hi guys, this is Bad Girl Care speaking. Alright, thanks for watching the video, and my channel is Bad Girl Care TV. Anyways, people, let me ask you a question. If you have a friend or his or her mouth stink, how would you ask them? Would you be brawling like public, or would you be like Kira and try hide it and try hint out to make him or her know say them mouth stink? Leave it in the comment section below. Oh hi guys, subscribe to the channel that you're on right now, and when you're finished, that is if you're new, when you're finished go over to Kira TV, that's Kiera. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for more hot contents like this. Peace.
Action.
Girl, you know some single fan with you, right? And me, I try if you make the first move, and every time I go to a man and me start talk, it's like them smile at first. Sorry. Yeah, please. I'm trying my best not to laugh at.
And action.
Alright, you know, say from with you, me single, and me I try put myself out there, and me I make the first move, and me daddy, and me I talk to them, and it's like them start smile at first.
And action.
You sure say everything good? Yeah man girl, everything good man. So what you ask about him and them? Me don't know, the man them just a run for me so. Me no, you know one go so.
And action.
You sure say alright? Yeah man girl, everything alright. So what you ask about him and them now? Me nah know corona you know. But still, me don't know, the man them just a run for me so. Me not understand. Kira.
Me I go suck on me as well, see me a 3 more.
Just left this so you can't edit it out though.
Action.
Me want to know what one.
You and a good friend. You? Sit them guys. Man, shoot her, we can't give them words. My youth, what may you say go on with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
When you say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing where you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me and my woman saying, and you come walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me a try to make it work. A long time we a try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things, eh? What problem?
No man. You get some bad to us. You just come accuse me. Me, I can tell people say you're gallus. I'm from us, you're no gallus. Eh? You're one burner man. Who could have call me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you have no gallus. Probably me might see you with 6, 7, 8 gal on the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
a boy
Upper
thing
Kerry
that.
me I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where I come from right now. Kerry tell me say you, I know you name Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things that talk about me, eh? Brother, me no depend where you depend here. Me no depend where you depend. Guess what you gotta do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know me, General. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me, you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I'll show me that one. Do you something here? Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you do? Put it down. You can't even beat your woman yard and me or beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright. Everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this third man, palm and chocolate there.
Next time, clean up the place, yeah.
Mix them one, mix me up in mix them one, mix me up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Gary!
Oi!
Papa,
What there?
you know where Papa and me I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Papa and me I come from right now.
What go on?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Cause me have to check him. You know, regardless of telling me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty gritty. Cause me can't bother
So
to
my
mix up.
youth, you really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. Me not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm tell you, I go back with
I can't take him mix up. Me have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I'm just ease myself. I'm a woman me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? Me have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him still
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me name now follow you? Eh? You think me name now follow you? You! What you call up my name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You! And him. I come on, I come talk about me, I watch him. But me I tell people when my girl is, when man a girl is, a girl clown. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You me shadow? Hey, don't follow me, man. What you talking about? I'm so me do. You me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at the shadow me. Yo, me look along in about you. Me want to lose my money. You see me lose my man? Me want to lose my man. You see my friend? Just wait. Me want to see you.
Hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, that place now. See how you? Just wait. Me want to see you on the road.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back my name. Me know what people business. Me tell you already, people business jump on me foot. And once you jump on me foot, it they go kick. So top.
Step out that place.
What?
You.
Oi, easy yourself. What you say me call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a renter Jed. Not me yam not a rent like him. And I can talk about me say him a girlis. When me know say him a girl clown already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a girlis?
When you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see Kemar down so with Wally pa woman. Tell me say you never say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen what me did say yesterday. Me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere. You have to put the man there aside. Because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl because I'm a girl fool. Me never say my girl is girl fool. And you can't tell the man about me I walk up and them when my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night, you know what I mean?
One of them
on
night
my birthday.
One of them night.
On my birthday, man. You know me have, birthday. But yo, love my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's one birthday, it was just a gigolo.
Yo, you see how you
calm down, man. Wanna ease on yourself.
On my birthday.
Wanna ease on yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here what? No need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Because I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on. Go on, come out that place first. Because me only want to pass him. Yo, come on, yo, see how you want.
Go to your house, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead, get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, I'm brother.
I want to go over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
No, go on, man. Just be, my brethren will link up over there so we are talk about, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link here,
Call link me? What you mean call link me?
I mean, I come link here, yes, get a link, because we can do some of them something, Dugu. No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on the move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send me the fence if you lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What owe me?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I come talk, boy, I come check me, check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me. Soon call you back here. Yeah. Yeah, we can go out later again. Alright. Alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy, just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, if I say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, you know, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess I know, a girl like you, I know so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know so I'm telling you
Hello.
this.
If you are going to tell me say you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can become more.
Until boy, until.
You mean?
You hear me say me have my
So
man?
hold on. Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, you know. I know you come and look this a girl. You're one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there so I look one girl and you come out here and look me?
You see a dog that.
Come roll you.
From you hear the voice and you see the face, you know who it is. Richard Brown already. Alright? So, if it's your first time to the channel, it simply means that you have not subscribed as yet. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload brand new content. Because you don't know, we are grow and we need your support. So please subscribe.
Hi. So welcome to the channel. Subscribe, make sure you hit the post notification bell so you don't miss a post. The experience from me come down here in Negril and left out of Portland, it is great because I'm still there. I learned enough something. I never know if I turn on one camera, now I shoot. I never know if I edit, now I edit. And that is a big thank you to Richard Brown, Imana G. Big up yourself, Richie.
All me see I take up some girl we are run them, me not run them down. You see what me there do? Me a try if you know how to chocolate.
No. Where say I try for chocolate?
I try chocolate. I'm fine when you want to go, me understand. No problem. Let's go.
Alright. Alright, bye. Action.
You talk about lucky she hold it. You lucky she hold me. No, but you didn't touch me. No, wait.
So you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know some tell every day, say, you know, them. I can't say sucker about. Can I say sucker about? You start prepare food then?
No, I'm not the dishes them first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one
Oh.
I don't have enough flour and support.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you not get enough dumpling like we like.
Jeez, how kind of situation that? Tonight a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the flour so a little bit?
I never remember forgetting.
No worries, man. Just go on the way, yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you, and we hungry belly cousin now really passed through today, so we're good to go.
Alright.
Yeah?
Public.
Baby, hear that?
Public.
Bye-bye.
Public. That sound like public, did you, man? What? Welcome myself here, man. What? Open up. Nobody in?
Yo, what?
What me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have food around there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, sit down.
No, you have to cook them there, man. Tell me your wife there.
She asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go to bed early. You know what I say right now? We don't have no choice. Because I guess I know, we almost stop down at a restaurant to buy some food because we never plan to cook. Me never plan to cook. So it's like say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen me. Curfew is no curfew when you're there in your yard. So if you tell me say you want to give me a little food around there, oh you have curfew in your yard, and in your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so you know, or something, but nothing not going on so. I can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
Me not wake up your wife. Me not gonna wake up your...
Oh.
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Whoosh!
I'm not
No,
smell
man,
that.
me smell food, man.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell.
I want to smell.
Sit down, man. Sit down. Take your time. Sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know. Maybe a KFC smell round so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life for 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me say KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Hear what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I got. Here, don't go first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up now, come on, piece of chicken. Hungry and bark me, man.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and forward back. Hey, man, I smell the food from out there, so me not share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me ring no them. Lucky pot them, don't make a sense come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me ring no them. Make it blow over neighbor yard. Help me them. So, step aside. Right, come on, get you. Yes.
You help me there.
Fast, come on, I don't want to go. Yes, help me do if I saw the case. What me do with them? What me do? Yeah, I can see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look more. You are going. I have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them a cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook, man, that year. You can't smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you. I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat a piece of bull or something, you know.
Listen up. Your neighbor mind not talking. But maybe if me go over there go beg them, so I just pass through your house and go talk to them. And them not talk. But me and them agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work. Me tell you already. Say me woman in there sleep. I mean I want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her. Cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Papa, look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait upon you.
Mackerel again? Your mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yes, go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up on near me food, you know. Me not if you done here. I put the blood. Yo, come pull the grill.
Stay on there. Oh, sorry. You want to do that?
Come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Go on. Hey, if you've been watching so far, guess what? Thanks for the support. Thanks for staying with us. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, comment, and share. This is Popeye, and this is
Bad girl Carrie.
My God, you hear that? Bad.
Hello. If you're watching, that means God bless you today.
Yes, Lord.
And I'm glad. And I said hallelujah.
Yeah, man, guess what? This is Public Report and Public with a K, Public Official, you know what I mean? So guess what? Thanks for watching, thanks for enjoying, thanks for supporting. This is Popeye, this is Care, and you don't know, so we're there. Just entertain you know, all the way. Richard Brown Films team, you know what I mean? That's the dream. What your name? Tell them what your name now?
My name is Bad Girl Care. I'm new, but look out for me.
Yeah, mean. Papa, take
My
it away.
name is
Take it away, Papa.
Papa, you know. I'm just making people laugh no matter what I do. I enjoy making you guys laugh. Continue support. Please subscribe. I will give you a long support on this channel. I will make this man have me on his channel.
Yeah, man,
as long as you guys keep on watching, I will
like.
support him.
Yeah, man.
And being on it, they're going to laugh.
Yeah, man.
And we are going to do a 2 piece one. So to continue. Make sure you subscribe. Don't miss it.
Go on. Him drink a little bit too much. Everything good still, you know, go on do your thing. I hope my hungry belly cousin will come over here tonight. I think come over here today, I will... Jesus Christ, man. Babe, guess who?
Who?
The dirty papaya out there, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Who?
The dirty papaya. Oh, man, I run him away. Me realize, me can, you know what I mean? Smell like you walk with the bar. The Holy Spirit.
You know, no food on the back there?
No, man, nothing around there, Whoa, yo, songs.